Hiya, Fred. Oceana here with G3 Agency. This is your free website audit for 616 Carpet Repair Services. I know that you don't really have a website at the moment, but the idea behind my video here is that if you ever do decide to throw a website back together again, reclaim that part of the internet for yourself, I want to make sure that you have the ability to make it worth it. It's not just a pretty spot on the internet where it just like it's a online business card, where it actually is drawing in leads for you. And there are a few tricks that you can pull to be able to do that. Not tricks like they're bad. They're just a few things that Google will really like if you do it. So if you do it, it'll increase your chances of being seen on Google when people are looking. So I'll explain all this as we go through. I just wanted to give you a little idea of what to expect. Also, like I said on the phone, I don't expect anything in return for this video. This is my gift to you. But if you would like to reach out to me for help with any of this stuff, you can think of this as a business card with oomph. And so you're welcome to reach out to me and my team, and we can go over your business goals and see if it makes sense for us to work together. Okay, so let's jump right in. So the first thing is, of course, you have your Facebook here. Love the van. It's very nicely put together. I like those colors. You did pretty good on your Facebook page, and you did great having it here, but of course you don't have a website right now. So there are a couple of things you can do. One option is not even including a website. You don't even need a website, and I'll explain that too. But first, these are the keywords that I noticed have a lot of volume, low competition. Lots of people, in fact, 300 people on average each month are typing carpet cleaners Cleveland into, oops, I didn't mean to click that, into Google. And the competition score is 10 out of 100. This is pretty low competition, not terribly low. We call anything below 5 low-hanging fruit. This wouldn't technically be low-hanging fruit, but it's still pretty close. It's well within reach, and it's super worth it because there are 300 people searching for this each month. So, and this score really just says how long will it take? How much effort will it take to get to the first page of Google for this phrase? And so, you have people typing carpet cleaners Cleveland in. You've got carpet cleaning Cleveland, Ohio. That's got another 300 people searching for the same exact service every month. Another 300. There's 600 just in the first two keywords. This one's got a little higher difficulty, but still, all these are within reach. Okay, so now that we've identified one that we want to go with, let's take this carpet cleaners Cleveland here. So let's put that in. Carpet cleaners Cleveland. You can see I was just, I didn't mean to do that either. My goodness, starting to get to be the end of the day now. All right, Cleveland. Was it just Cleveland? How is it spelled? You want to make sure it's spelled exactly the same way. Okay, so now we've got the ads. Most people skip those. Then we've got the map pack up here. So how you get into the map pack is you want to make sure that your Google My Business listing is up to date and accurate. So here's your GMB, or Google My Business. You want to make sure that this is spelled just the way that you like it, and that your phone number is the one you're going to want to have all over the internet, and that your address is accurate and spelled correctly. Because then you're going to take that information and go on different directories like Yelp, Yext, CityStar, White Pages, like Angie. You're going to want to list your information on as many different websites as you can, these directories where they list different businesses, because then that'll count as sort of a vote of confidence. Each of these citations are saying, hey, this guy's real and they really serve this area. And that just shows Google that you can be trusted, and that's going to put you further to the top of the results. And if you end up in the top 3 of the maps, the local results, you end up on the first page of Google, which is really nice because that's just a click away from your website being right there. Your phone number's right there, so you'll get an increase in business if you show up here. Another thing is you want to show up down here. So I'm not going to compare you to the first result. I would normally, but this is Angie, so it doesn't make sense to compare you to Angie because they're not a local competitor. So I'm going to compare you to these guys right here, Cleveland Carpet Cleaning Services. So let's see what happens if we look at their site. It'll load. Okay, so these are the guys beating us out for this word we want to show up for. So what are they doing right? I mean, they're showing up on the first page. They must be doing something right. So they've got some content here, but it's not an incredibly impressive amount of content. It wouldn't be hard to do better than them in that way. And then if I right click on an image, are they saving their images properly? So this is, oh gosh, look at the look on that lady's face. Okay, so I can click Save Image As. I can see this image was new mom baby on rug. So people are not typing new mom baby on rug when they're looking for carpet cleaners in the Cleveland area. So what you want to do is actually, when you create your site, oh gosh, I just can't look at her anymore. You want to save these images as these specific phrases that people are actually typing in. So I would have saved that as Carpet Cleaners Cleveland or Carpet Cleaning Cleveland, Ohio, etc. So that's another indicator, if you do that, that you're the right person to show when Google is looking through the websites going, who's going to be the best result? And then it's going to look through your website and see your images are saved as these phrases people are looking for. So, well, of course, that makes sense that you would be the first person to show up. Oh, this is another thing. Okay, and then what else we can do is throw your competition into Ahrefs as well. So put it in there and see what we get. Okay, so they've got a UR score, so that the trustworthiness of their exact page, this back page here, not their home page like yours, but rather Cleveland/Carpet Cleaning Services. So they've got a score of 17 for their exact page. This means that Google has started to trust them. This is a decent score, but it's not terribly difficult to outdo. Their DR score is quite high. And would be difficult to beat, basically, but we don't have to beat their whole website. We're just trying to beat this one page, so that's good. That's the good news. And then how you would increase your score is with backlinks and referring domains. So a backlink is any link that goes from another website back to your site, and a referring domain is any website that has at least one of those links on it. And so we can actually look at their links and see what it is that they've got. You can see like regionaldirectory.us. That's got a DR score of 60, so that's how trustworthy their entire website is. This is a good backlink. This one down here, not as good, because it says my book coupons. They don't even sell books, so like why would that be there? It's not. It doesn't make any sense. And then on top of that, it's got a very low DR score, which means it's not trusted by Google. So this would be not a very good link. So you can kind of see the difference there. You want them to be high scoring, and you want them to have to be relevant in some way to what you're doing. And then I can actually, I almost forgot about this. I can run the numbers for yours, even though you don't have a website up right now. We can see what you'd be starting out with. So, yeah, nothing. Oh, you have 2 referring domains. So already there's 2 different sites showing, and it's got the Builders Market and ohiobiz.com they both have links to your site. And actually there are more than that out there, because I've seen, Facebook has one, and so you're off to a good start. Even if you started your website, if you decided to put one up, you'd already be a little bit of a head start because you had it before. And so that would be really good. Anyways, that is how you can get in front of people searching for your business. And I see it says Carpet Cleaners Peoria, obviously. Carpet Cleaners Cleveland was what I meant to put here. But thank you so much for your time watching this. I really appreciate it. I really hope that it was helpful to you. And I look forward to your feedback, whether I spoke too quickly, or if I should have gone into more detail, or if I was just all over the place and you weren't able to keep up. Let me know, because I really am trying to do these in a way that is very helpful to the people watching. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye!